8552. Thermocouples are usually inserted or installed on the A. Front cylinder of the engine. B. Rear cylinder of the engine. C. Hottest cylinder of the engine. The correct answer is C. Thermocouples are usually installed on the hottest cylinder of the engine. Thermocouples are temperature-measuring devices that consist of two dissimilar metals joined together. They generate a small electrical voltage proportional to the temperature difference between the hot and cold junctions. In an aircraft engine, thermocouples are typically installed on the hottest cylinder to provide temperature readings for monitoring purposes. 8553. Capacitance after firing of a spark plug is caused by A. The stored energy in the ignition shielded lead unloading after normal timed ignition. B. Excessive center electrode erosion. C. Constant polarity firing. The correct answer is A. The capacitance observed after firing of a spark plug is caused by the stored energy in the ignition shielded lead unloading after normal timed ignition. When a spark plug fires, it releases a high-voltage spark that ignites the fuel-air mixture in the combustion chamber. The shielded lead connected to the spark plug carries this high voltage. After the spark plug fires, the energy stored in the shielded lead unloads, leading to a residual capacitance. 8554. If it is found that a shielded ignition system does not adequately reduce ignition noise, it may be necessary to install A. A second layer of shielding. B. A filter between the magneto and magneto switch. C. Bonding wires from the shielding to ground. The correct answer is B. If a shielded ignition system does not adequately reduce ignition noise, it may be necessary to install a filter between the magneto and magneto switch. Shielded ignition systems are designed to minimize electromagnetic interference and reduce ignition noise. However, if the shielded system is not effective, installing a filter between the magneto and magnetic. 8555. When a magneto is operating, what is the probable cause for a shift in internal timing? A. The rotating magnet loses its magnetism. B. The distributor gear teeth are wearing on the rotor gear teeth. C. The cam follower wear or the breaker points wear. The correct answer is C. When a magneto is operating, the probable cause for a shift in internal timing is cam follower wear or breaker points wear. The cam follower is responsible for actuating the breaker points, and over time, wear can occur on the cam follower and the breaker points themselves. This wear can cause a shift in the timing of the opening and closing of the breaker points, affecting the overall timing of the magneto. 8556. Why are turbine-engine igniters less susceptible to fouling than reciprocating-engine spark plugs? A. The high-intensity spark cleans the igniter. B. Turbine igniters. C. Less intensity spark. The correct answer is A. Turbine engine igniters are less susceptible to fouling than reciprocating engine spark plugs because the high-intensity spark produced by the igniters helps to clean them. Turbine engine igniters generate a strong spark, which can burn off and remove any fouling or deposits that may accumulate on the igniter electrode. The intense heat and energy of the spark help to keep the igniters clean and free from fouling.